Welcome all of my friends. Today I will explain about Goddess Lakshmi mantra, especially one of the very shortest and purest mantra. If you chant, if you recitation this mantra, you find lot of benefits in your life. Everyone know about Goddess Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi is considered to the deity of wealth and prosperity. Lakshmi mantra is also called money mantra, and Goddess Lakshmi represent to the divine energy. He gives her worshippers wealth, prosperity, and happiness, and make a good relationship with his life. So it is the best mantra. If you have problem your finance and you have no idea what is the right your life, so please once you chant this mantra at least 40 days, morning and evening, regularly in a perfect way, correct process. Most of the people chanting mantra, they had been no idea how to chant mantra. They just listening YouTube or just chanting sometimes irregularity, not continuity, not regularity. So first here I will give some suggest how you chant Lakshmi mantra, how you chant, because people have no idea. So before you start your mantra, first you need a good place, clean place where you start your meditation, your sadhana, your everything. First, you put a Lakshmi image, Lakshmi picture. Second things, first you shower, bath, and wear a clean, fresh dress, and your place need clean, and burn some incense sticks, burn some lamps. You offer some flowers. Second things, when you start your Lakshmi mantra, first you chant your Guru mantra, Ganesh mantra, and you pray Lord Vishnu. Without you did this, if you chant Lakshmi mantra, maybe you not find same result as you think. Especially Western people just listening mantra. They have no idea what is the cleanliness and what is the purity life and how to this chanting mantra. It is better you chant morning and evening in the same time. Morning time, if what is your fix 7 to 8, so every day you chant 7 to 8. If evening or night, what is your fixed time? What is your leisure time? You chant that time because it is give more result. Once you do, you find more and more result. It is true. And second, third things, you use spatik mala, spatik beads, and chant. And how you chant, you can ask me or comments. You chant how to process the mala. Once mantra into one beads with your little finger. So don't touch your fourth finger by your when you recite your mala. So that lot of people doing mantra sadhana, but they have not find the same result because they have no a perfect idea, correct process. So here I mentioned, if you have any problem, you comments and ask. And now here I put and I chant Lakshmi Bij mantra, very powerful short mantra and Ekakshari mantra. It is called Ekakshari mantra. Om Sri. So let's start and listening, and you can continue your sadhana, and at least 40 days you continue and you find good result. Thank you. Let's start. Om Srim 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 Om Srim, 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 Om Srim,